Hey, it's Scott. Welcome to your virtual video walk around. We're going to show you this Jeep Wrangler up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. This is the 14 edition. Stock number is 7125A. Now look at this Jeep. You get to see this vehicle up close and personal as opposed to those boring static photos. Look at those rims and tires. The lift. This is a sharp looking Jeep. We have a few Jeeps in our inventory, but I'll tell you what, this is my favorite by far. Of course, the hardtop. Love the color. It says it's a dune clear coat for the color title. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. You're going to find it in one place and one place only, of course, right here at Sunset. Making our way in the interior, you're going to see that the leather loaded. This vehicle only has, get this, 37,000 miles. Super duper low miles. It comes equipped with a 5-speed automatic transmission. You know this Jeep's not going to last long. For information on this Jeep or any other Jeeps that we have in inventory, do me a favor, visit us online, call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd love to meet you and earn your business. On behalf of Sunset Ford, Scott Tanner saying, make it a great day. Take care.